Welcome to the exciting world of artificial intelligence. AI is changing our world rapidly. It is everywhere, from our phones to our cars. In this essay, we will embark on a journey to understand AI. We will learn how it works and its impact on our lives. Get ready to unravel the magic of AI.
Artificial intelligence is all about making machines smart. We want machines to think like humans. This means they can learn, solve problems, and make decisions. AI allows machines to do things that usually require human intelligence. It is like giving a brain to a computer.
AI uses special computer programs called algorithms. Algorithms are like recipes that tell the computer what steps to take. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows computers to learn from data. They find patterns in data and improve their performance over time. It's like a computer teaching itself. The dream of AI started a long time ago. The concept of machines that could think and learn like humans has fascinated scientists and visionaries for decades. From the early days of computing, the idea of creating intelligent machines was a tantalizing possibility that drove many to explore the boundaries of technology and mathematics. Alan Turing was a brilliant mathematician who played a key role in AI's early days. His work during World War II on breaking the Enigma code not only showcased his genius, but also laid the groundwork for modern computing. Turing's vision extended beyond code breaking. He imagined machines that could simulate any human intelligence. He is considered the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. Turing proposed the idea of a universal machine that could perform any computation given the right algorithm and enough time. This concept was revolutionary and formed the basis of what we now know as the Turing machine, a fundamental model in the theory of computation. Another pioneer was John McCarthy. A visionary computer scientist, McCarthy's contributions to the field of AI were monumental. He believed that machines could be made to simulate any aspect of human intelligence, and he dedicated his career to making this a reality. He coined the term artificial intelligence and organized the Dartmouth Conference in 1956, considered the birthplace of AI as a field of study. This conference brought together the brightest minds of the time to discuss and explore the potential of intelligent machines. It was here that the foundations of AI as a formal discipline were laid, setting the stage for future advancements. These visionaries laid the foundation for the AI revolution we are witnessing today. Their pioneering work has led to the development of technologies that are now integral to our daily lives, from smart assistants to advanced data analytics. The journey of AI is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to push the boundaries of what machines can do, we stand on the shoulders of these giants, inspired by their vision and driven by the possibilities they imagined.
Section 5: AI in our daily lives. AI is no longer a thing of the future, it's here and now. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. It's in the apps we use, the devices we interact with, and even in the services we rely on. The presence of AI is so ubiquitous that we often don't even notice it. We use AI every day without even realizing it. For instance, when you check the weather on your phone, AI algorithms are at work, predicting the most accurate forecast based on vast amounts of data. When you send a message, AI helps in predicting text and correcting typos, making communication smoother and faster. Our smartphones use AI for facial recognition and voice assistance. Facial recognition technology ensures that our devices are secure, allowing only authorized users to access them. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI to understand and respond to our commands, setting reminders, playing music, and even controlling smart home devices. When we shop online, AI recommends products we might like. These recommendations are based on our browsing history, past purchases, and even the time we spend looking at certain items. This personalized shopping experience not only makes it easier to find what we need, but also introduces us to products we might not have discovered otherwise. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads. These autonomous vehicles rely on complex algorithms and sensors to understand their surroundings, make decisions, and drive safely. They can detect obstacles, follow traffic rules, and even predict the actions of other drivers. making transportation safer and more efficient. AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. In our homes, smart thermostats learn our preferences and adjust the temperature accordingly, saving energy and reducing costs. In the workplace, AI-powered tools help in managing schedules, analyzing data, and even in creative tasks like designing and writing. The impact of AI is vast and continues to grow, transforming every aspect of our lives.
Section 6, I quote, S future potential. The future of AI is incredibly exciting. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest problems. It can help us find cures for diseases, develop clean energy sources, and explore space. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications that will transform our world in unimaginable ways. Section 7, the ethics of AI. As with any powerful technology, AI comes with ethical considerations. We need to make sure AI is used responsibly and ethically. One concern is job displacement, as AI could automate certain tasks. Another concern is bias, as AI algorithms can inherit biases from the data they are trained on. It's crucial to address these ethical challenges to ensure that AI benefits humanity as a whole.
Section 8. Words from the wise. Many experts have shared their insights on I quote, S transformative power. Stephen Hawking famously said, "The development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race." This highlights the importance of careful consideration and responsible development of AI. Elon Musk, another prominent figure in the tech world, has also expressed concerns, stating, AI is a fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization.
Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the AI revolution. In this final section, we delve into the transformative power of artificial intelligence and its potential to reshape our world in unprecedented ways. From healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment, AI is making its mark across various sectors, driving innovation and efficiency. AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize our world. Imagine a future where cities are smarter, healthcare is more personalized, and industries operate with unparalleled precision. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights that were previously unimaginable, leading to breakthroughs in science and technology. It can automate mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. By understanding how AI works and addressing the ethical considerations, we can harness its power for good. It's crucial to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, with a focus on transparency, fairness, and accountability. Ethical AI can help mitigate biases, protect privacy, and promote inclusivity. As we integrate AI into our daily lives, we must remain vigilant about its impact on society and strive to create systems that benefit everyone. As we venture further into the age of AI, it's essential to approach this transformative technology with a balance of excitement and responsibility. The potential benefits of AI are immense, but so are the challenges. We must invest in education and training to equip the workforce with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven world. Collaboration between governments, industries, and academia is key to fostering innovation while addressing the societal implications of AI. Let's embrace the AI revolution and shape a future where humans and machines coexist and thrive together. By working together, we can create a world where AI enhances human capabilities and drives progress. The journey ahead is filled with opportunities and challenges, but with a shared vision and collective effort, we can ensure that the AI revolution leads to a brighter, more inclusive future for all. Embrace the change, and let's build a better tomorrow with AI.